Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the two-level realizations by using gates. Okay, ma, two-level realizations by using gates. In that, we learn AND OR realization, NAND realization for SOP forms. Okay, ma. Next, OR and realization, NOR realization for POS forms. Okay, ma. So, are you understand that? So now in this class, how to implement the basic gates by using universal gates. Okay, ma. Now in this class, we are discussing about how to implement the basic gates by using universal gates. Okay, ma. That topic is discussed in this class. So first, what are basic gates? What are basic gates? Basic gates means AND gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, ma, these are basic gates. What are universal gates? Universal gates means NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, ma, NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gates. Why these NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gates? What is the reason? Means by using this NAND gate and NOR gate, we can design any gate. Okay, ma? By using this NAND gate and NOR gate, we can design any gate. That's why only these two gates are called universal gates. Okay, ma? అంటే ఈ NAND gate, NOR gate ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం ఏ గేట్ నైనా డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు. అందుకనే మనం ఈ NAND gate, NOR gate ని యూనివర్సల్ గేట్స్ అంటామమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ here now we are discussing how to implement the basic gates by using universal gates. That means AND gate or gate, NOT gate realization by using NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, ma? So now already we know about these gates. Okay, so if you are taking the first one is NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate. See here, NOT gate means here we are having only one input and one output. Suppose if A is the input for this NOT gate, this is the NOT gate symbol. Okay, amma, what is the output here? A bar. Okay, A bar. Are you understand? So this is the NOT gate symbol. Here one bubble is there. This bubble is inverting bubble. Okay, amma. So now in this class we learn these two. How to implement NOT and OR by using NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, amma. Now in this class we are discussing about that. So NOT gate is over. So NAND gate. What is NAND gate? NAND gate means how to get NAND gate. AND operation plus NOT operation becomes NAND gate. AND plus NOT becomes NAND gate. Okay, ma. Suppose if here the two inputs are taking as X and Y. Okay, then what is the NAND gate operation? See here. So X and Y are two inputs. The NAND gate output is X dot Y whole bar. Okay, ma, X dot Y whole bar. This is the NAND gate output. This is the truth table. Okay, this is equivalent to multiplication. Okay, ma, that means first what are the AND gate outputs for this? If you are taking AND gate, so 0 0 means 0, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, NAND means the inversion of under. Okay, ma, that's why we are getting 1 1 1 0. Okay, this is the truth table for NAND gate. Okay, next. NOR gate. What is NOR gate? OR gate plus NOT gate. OR gate plus NOT gate. That means here OR gate plus NOT gate. So one bubble is added here. So if X and Y are two inputs for this NOR gate, what is the output? Z is equal to X plus Y whole bar. Okay, ma, Z equal to X plus Y whole bar. So this is the output for this NOR gate. Okay, ma. X, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the truth table for NOR gate. Okay. So inversion of OR gate. Inversion of OR gate. That is NOR gate. Okay, ma. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Already discussed about this truth table. Okay. So next, now universal gates. So these are NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. This is very, very important point. Okay, ma, NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Now take the NAND gate and realize the basic gates, that is AND or NOT. Okay, ma. So first take the NOT gate. Now first implementing an inverter using only NAND gate. Okay, ma. Implementing the inverter using only NAND gate. Okay, now we are observing that. So actually if you are taking the NOT gate, this is having only one input. Okay, ma. NOT gate means that is having only one input. And one output. A and A bar. Okay, ma. NAND gate means two inputs. Actually, that is having two inputs. Okay. If two inputs are A and B, then what is the output? A dot B whole bar. Okay, ma. A dot B whole bar. So here for NOT gate only one input is there. That's why these two inputs are combined, short circuited. That is, so here also we are using A. Okay, ma. Here also we are using A. See here. So the same input A is applied as two inputs for this NAND gate. Okay, ma. If A and B are inputs, then what is the output? If A and B are two inputs, then what is the output? A dot B whole bar. Okay, ma. So here, what are the two inputs? This input is A and another input is also A. Both inputs are A. That's why substitute here. Substitute here. Then what happened? A dot A whole bar. According to Boolean laws, A dot A is equal to, already we learned the Boolean laws, and law, or law. Okay, are you remember? So A dot A means that is equivalent to A. So that is equal to A bar. Okay, ma, see here. A dot A whole bar, whole dash. Both are same. The representation is same. Either whole bar or whole dash. Okay, ma? So A dot A is A dash. Are you getting? Here only one input is A and output is getting as A dash. Are you getting the NOT gate realization here? Are you getting the NOT gate output? Same. NOT gate output is A dash. So here also by using NAND gate also we are designing NOT gate. That is the output is A dash. Okay, ma? So this is the NOT gate realization or inverter. Okay, by using NAND gate. Okay, are you understand? Next, implementing AND gate using only NAND gate. Okay, what are the basic gates? NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. NOT gate is completed. Okay, now we are designing AND gate by using NAND gate. Okay, ma. Now we are designing AND gate by using NAND gate. Okay, actually here, see, in this we draw. After that, we saw the material. Okay, ma. So here, AND gate implementation. By using NAND gate. Okay, ma. So see here, actually what is AND gate, what is NAND gate? First write down that. Okay. So this is the AND gate. Here we are taking the two inputs as A and B. Okay, ma. What is the output here? We are getting AND gate A dot B. Okay. So what is the OR gate here? Sorry, NAND gate. NAND gate. Here the two inputs are A and B. Then what is the output? A dot B whole bar. Okay, ma. So actually by using this NAND gate, we are realizing AND gate. So first draw the NAND gate here. Then what are the inputs we are taking here? A and B are two inputs. So what is the output for this NAND gate? A dot B whole bar. Actually here we are implementing AND gate. AND gate means what is the AND gate output? A dot B. Here what is getting? A dot B whole bar. That means how to get A dot B from this A dot B whole bar? If you are using one inverter gate, that is NOT gate, then what happened? A dot B bar whole bar. Then we are getting A dot B. Okay, ma? Are you understand? Actually, we need A dot B. Here we are having A dot B whole bar. So, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? A dot B అనేది అవుట్పుట్ కావాలి మనకి. ఓకేనా? దేని నుంచి తీసుకురావాలి? A dot B whole bar నుంచి తీసుకురావాలి. ఓకేనా? సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక థాట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? We are having A dot B whole bar. From this, we are getting A dot B. Again, take the complement here. Then what happened? A dot B bar whole bar. What happened? According to inverter law, you are getting A dot B. Okay, finally we are getting A dot B. That is the required output. So bar means which gate is used here? Not gate is used. ఓకేనా సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చెప్పాం ఓన్లీ నాండ్ గేటే యూజ్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పాం కాబట్టి నాట్ గేట్ ని నాండ్ గేట్ పెట్టి ఆల్రెడీ రియలైజ్ చేసాం కదా సేమ్ దట్ విల్ బి యూజ్డ్ హియర్ ఓకే సో ద సేమ్ ఇన్పుట్ విల్ బి గివింగ్ as two inputs. Okay, this is the NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate by using NAND gate. So what are the inputs here we are getting? Here we are getting AB whole bar. Here also the same input. Okay, AB whole bar. Okay, ma. So what is the output here? We are getting NOT gate means AB whole bar. NOT gate means again whole bar is there. So 2 times complement is applied. So that will be equivalent to A dot B. Okay, ma? A dot B. So finally we are getting the output as A dot B. What is A dot B? AND gate output. Okay, ma? AND gate output. So by using NAND gate only, we realize the AND gate. Are you understand? We realize the AND gate. That is the output is getting as A dot B. Okay, the output is getting as A dot B. Are you understand, amma? సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము అండ్ గేట్ ని రియలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాము దేన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని రియలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాము నాండ్ గేట్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని రియలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాము అందులో ఇంకే గేట్స్ ఉండకూడదు ఓన్లీ నాండ్ గేట్సే ఉండాలి ఓకేనా సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ వి డ్రా వన్ నాండ్ గేట్ దెన్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ A dot B whole bar okay so here we are connecting NOT gate okay actually this is nothing but NOT gate only okay just now only we are discussing this NOT gate okay this is equivalent to NOT gate so this is the implementation of AND gate by using NAND gate okay and you understand now the next one OR gate realization by using NAND gate okay ma OR gate implementation by using NAND gate. If you understand this NAND gate, then NOR gate is also same. Okay, ma? Now we are doing this implementation. So what is OR gate? What is OR gate? If you are taking A and B are two inputs, this is the OR gate actually. What is the output? We are concentrating on the output. A and B are two inputs. What is the output of OR gate? A plus B. Okay, ma? A plus B. So we need this output. ఓకేనా మనకి ఈ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేటట్టుగా మనం నాండ్ గేట్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా సో ట్రై టు డూ లైక్ దిస్ సో ఫస్ట్ టేక్ A as input here only we are using NAND gate okay ma if you are taking A as input what is the output for this how this gate will be here A here A two inputs are A okay what is the NAND gate output A dot A whole bar That is nothing but A bar. And you remember, this is nothing but NOT gate implementation. Okay, NOT gate implementation by using NAND gate. In the same way, take for B also.
महाराज ఏదన్నా ఆయన కూర్చుని ఆయన మా భార్య భర్త చదివి కానీ ఆయన ఒక్కడు కూడా పట్టించుకోరు అసలు.
B is taking as an input to this. So what is the output here? We are getting B bar. Okay, Amma, this is also NOT gate implementation. Okay. So now these two will be giving as an input to another NAND gate. Okay, actually what is the NAND gate output? Here, what are the two inputs here we are giving? From here, we are giving A bar as an input. From here, we are giving B bar as an input. So what is the NAND gate output? The first input dot the second input whole bar. Okay, ma? Are you understand? So the first input, actually NAND gate means if two inputs are there, A and B, what is the output for this NAND gate? The first input A and the second input B whole bar dot. Okay, Amma, like this here also the two inputs are, one input is A bar, another input is B bar. So the output is A bar dot B bar whole bar. Here we are using De Morgan's theorem. Are you remember De Morgan's theorem? Are you remember? XY whole bar is equal to XY whole bar is equal to, what is De Morgan's theorem? X bar plus Y bar. Okay, ma? X bar plus Y bar. So like this, here A bar is taking as X, B bar is taking as Y. Okay, so here X bar means A bar is X bar plus Y bar. What is Y? B bar. So B bar Y bar. Okay, ma? So what is A bar bar? What is the value? Inversion law. So A plus B. Okay, ma? Are you getting the OR gate output finally? Are you getting the OR gate output finally? Yes. So here we are realizing OR gate by using NAND gates only. Okay, ma? See here. This is NAND gate. This is also NAND gate. This is also NAND gate. Okay, na? సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాము, ఆర్ గేట్ అవుట్పుట్ ని తీసుకొచ్చాం ఫైనల్ గా, అంటే ఆర్ గేట్ ని రియలైజ్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసాము బై యూజింగ్ నాండ్ గేట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు మనం నాండ్ గేట్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని నాట్ గేట్ డిజైన్ చేసాము, అండ్ గేట్ డిజైన్ చేసాము, ఆర్ గేట్ డిజైన్ చేసాము. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే, what is another universal gate? NOR gate. Okay, ma, what is another universal gate? NOR gate. So by using NOR gate also we can implement NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Okay, na? Now if you observe the material, see the material. See, AND gate using NAND gates. Okay, are you having? So next OR gate using NAND gates. Okay, a bar dot b bar whole bar is equal to a plus b. Okay, ma. So in the same way, take the NOR gate and implementing inverter. Take the NOR gate here. So NOR gate means a plus b. What is NOR gate? Two inputs are taking as a and b. Here a, another input is taking as b. Okay, ma? Okay, what is the output here? You will be getting a plus b whole bar. Okay, now this is the output of NOR gate. See here. So here only the same input is applied here. Here also a, here also a. Okay, ma. So what is the output for this NOR gate? The first input a and plus the second input a whole bar. What is a plus a value? What is a plus a? According to Boolean laws or law. Are you remember? So a plus a equal to a. So a whole dash. That is nothing but NOT gate output. Okay, ma. So a dash NOT gate output. So now this is the implementation of NOT gate by using NOR gate. Okay, ma. Are you understand? So the next one is implementation of OR gate using NOR gates. Okay, ma. Implementation of OR gate using NOR gates. So actually see here, here two inputs A and B are taking. So what is the output here? NOR gate is designed. So what is the output? A plus B whole dash. Actually మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? OR gate. OR gate అంటే OR gate output ఏంటి? A plus B. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఉంది A plus B whole dash ఉంది. A plus B whole dash ని A plus B గా మార్చాలి. ఎలా మార్చొచ్చు? హోల్ డాష్ పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది కదా. హోల్ డాష్ అంటే ఏంటి? నాట్ గేట్. సో నాట్ గేట్ ని డిజైన్ చేయాలి. ఆల్రెడీ మనకి ఇక్కడ నాట్ గేట్ డిజైన్ చేసాం కదా. నాట్ గేట్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని నాట్ గేట్ ని డిజైన్ చేసాం కదా. సేమ్ ఇదే ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేసేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ డాష్, ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ డాష్. సో దానికి నాట్ గేట్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? A plus B, what is the output? A plus B whole dash not gate. That's why whole dash. 2 times complement is applied. So finally we are getting A plus B. Okay, ma? Finally we are getting A plus B. So that is nothing but OR gate output. Okay, na? Next number. Next AND gate using only NOR gate. Okay, ma. AND gate using only NOR gate. That is implementation of AND gate. What is AND gate? This is the AND gate. If A and B are two inputs, then what is the output? A dot B. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ output A dot B రావాలి. ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి? ఓన్లీ నార్ గేట్స్ మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో సీ హియర్, టేక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈస్, what is this gate? Not gate. Okay, ma, not gate by using NOR gate. So if A is the input we are taking, so what is the NOT gate output? A dash. Okay, so here also we are taking B as input. This is also NOT gate. What is the output for this NOT gate? B is input. So NOT gate output is B dash. Now these two are giving as inputs to NOR gate. Okay, ma. A dash, B dash. Inputs to OR gate. So ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? మనకి the first input plus The second input whole dash. Okay na? Whole dash. This is equal to AB. ఎలా వచ్చింది AB అనేది? By using De Morgan's theorem. చూడమ్మా, actually గా this is nothing but what is the output here we are getting? A dash means A bar plus B bar whole dash, that is whole bar. So this is nothing but this is represented like this also, same. Okay, now this will be simplified by using De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? A bar plus B bar is equal to AB whole bar. Are you remember? De Morgan's theorems are used here. Okay, amma. AB whole bar. So see here, A bar plus B bar. This is equal to AB whole bar. Again bar is there. So AB whole bar whole bar. So what is the result you will be getting? AB. This AB is nothing but the output of AND gate. Okay, ma? The output of AND gate. So in this way, the AND gate is implemented by using NOR gates. Okay? Are you understand? Very, very important, amma. Okay, na? Here, NAND gates and NOR gates are called universal gates because by using NAND and NOR gates, we can implement any gate. Okay, na? Manam ikkada prove chesama. NAND gate యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate డిజైన్ చేసాము. అలాగే NOR gate ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని కూడా AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసాము. ఓకేనా? So that's why only we are saying NAND and NOR gates as universal gates. Okay, ma? So here in this only we are having, we discussed the previous topics, that is AND OR, NAND NAND, OR AND, NOR NOR realizations. Okay, na? So in the same PDF that will also here. So see this. Okay, ma? So all of you practice this. So here some equivalent gates are also there.